Welcome. Today we're going to talk about using a year-end template that I am sharing in the Shoot Me, the Art of Business and Photography. It's a closed Facebook group that concentrates on learning and growth of every level and genre of photography. I've been doing these year-end Facebook cover images for years for my clients and for myself. It's truly the time that you get to really show off your work for the year. So I highly suggest you going through your files and finding images that truly represent you, your brand, your consistency, and show off your work for the year. Right now we're going to take off the copyright, and you'll see all of the design elements here, and that's on this layer right here, and it is locked for a reason. It's for the simplicity for you, the user, less for you to worry about, because it's not going to move around and you're not going to lose elements and you go, oh my gosh, what did I just do? And you can't get it back, and it causes mass confusion sometimes. So I try to lock these down so that you don't have to worry about it on your end. You can click it on and off and see what it does, and that's about it. So for placing our images, we're going to go to Place Image here. We're going to go to File, Place Embedded. I was in the wrong spot, of course. And we're going to come to this little guy here. And you'll notice that he's not showing anywhere. That's because he's on the top row, first box, and he's not going to show. So we're going to have to size him down and move him around, and you can find him right over here. Please, please pay attention and make sure that you have your constraint on, because otherwise you're going to end up with short and fat or tall and skinny. So we're going to put him right there, kind of like in there. You'll see the check mark here to confirm your placement, or you can hit your enter key and it does the same thing. Go on to your next one. You're going to do Place Image here, File, Place Embedded, and choose your next image. She was super sweet, and we're going to put her right here. Again, making sure that your constraint is on. And I want her to represent his size just a little bit better. There we go. Again, hitting your check mark to confirm or enter, and go on to your next one. This has 14 openings, and I'm not going to do all 14 with you guys, but it'll give you a good start. And this one's kind of Christmassy and whimsical, so we're going to put that one right there. Again, checking that into place. Now, at the bottom of the template, you'll see your studio name or watermark here. That's on this layer right here. You can edit this to say anything you want to say. I typically have always used my watermark at the bottom, so I'm going to show you that method also. So you can go T for text, and you can come in here and edit this to anything you want it to say. Right now, I'm going to turn that off and show you what I typically do, and that is to add a new layer. And my watermark I have as a brush also. I've selected the color of the background, so I'm just going to do B for brush. I'm going to click it at 100% right there. Come back and click on my layer. I'm going to select V for move, and now I can move this anywhere within the template. You'll see that purple or magenta line there. That's telling you that it's in the center of the template, so your placement is good. Now, when you fill all of these up, you're going to come down to your bottom layer, and you're going to do a File, Save As, and we're going to save this as New Year's 2018 PSD. The reason I did a Save As is because you can go back and re-edit this at any point in time, and all your layers will be there without copying over the original document. You'll notice that it's in sRGB, and we're going to say to save it as that. I had already previously saved it when making this. Once you have all of your images in and you've saved it as another PSD, then you're going to come in and you're going to merge or flatten. I'm going to merge it. And we're going to do a save as. And we're going to save it as a JPEG this time for web display. And I've already saved it here, so it's going to tell me that. But it's in sRGB, which we know is the right format to display for web. And I already saved it, like I said, at a quality of 12, so that really shows off your work. So once you have this all done, then you can feel free to post it to your personal page or your business page, as those are sized exactly the same way. Marketing and group pages, and there, I believe there may be a couple of other pages that the sizing of the templates won't work on. I do have some on the site that are for groups or for marketing, so go ahead and give that a visit at any point in time if you choose. Just enjoy, show off your amazing work, and have a Happy New Year. Thank you.